Hi, my name is Jamal Ashraf, and we're going to be working with our Java class CS3B, and one of my favorite courses in here at PCC. So, a few things that I want to talk to you. First of all, welcome to our class. This is going to be a wonderful class. Generally, in my Java class, I get a lot more better or more interested students here. So, we're going to do a lot of work together, and we're going to paste it in a way that it's not going to be too stressful. But we got to understand that this is the second course of computer science at PCC. So we got to understand that you are coming in from another course, or you have been waived for another course. That means the expectation is you coming in with some knowledge of previous course. So we are not going to go through the basics in this class. We got to go kind of saying how is it happening in Java. So we're going to quickly go over certain chapters. So for example, if statement, else statement, while loop, do while, for loop, all of those things, we're just going to go over them quickly. If you are having some deficiency on the CS2, which is our C++ course, please go and review it as soon as you can. You need some help, let me know. But the expectation is you already know those stuff. So a few things that we need to do to start with. First of all, the book is required for this class. I don't have online material, so the book is required. The book is going to be Java. So it's going to be the Java book that we're going to be using in here. We're going to be looking at it through the syllabus. So the syllabus here, I'm going to use e-syllabus. So if you scroll down or read the syllabus, in there is a section about the big Java early object that if you click on it, it's going to take you to the website. This is the book that we're going to be using for this class. So it is a 7th edition, and this is the book I want to use. Some students are asking about the previous versions. If you're using the previous version, you got to be sure that the assignments or labs that are assigned in this book is in line of what we are doing. My problem is if people have different versions, like a previous version, this is 7, somebody has 6, somebody has 5, somebody has 4, somebody has the international copy. For me to go and figure out who has what is going to get messy. And I cannot copy and paste this book to the students because it's a required book and it has to be purchased. So I like the ebook portion of this. I like to use the ebook portion of it. It's about $39 if you want to rent it, or somewhere around 45 for a longer period. And that's what we're going to be using. So it's required for this class. So we're going to be using in this one. Another thing that I want to talk about is we are using Java, so that means we need to download some software. So I have the IDE for Java over here. You can go in there, look at the video, or you can check. For some reason, it's not coming up, but there is in the module. If you go to the module. So please do look at the module. So this is where we're going to start. So I hope this one is better than the other one. So I have a PDF for the Java IDEs, and I have a video of what I'm talking about the IDEs. I am using Eclipse. I am using Dr. Java for quick compilation. That way I don't have to have a project. We talk a little more about it, but please take a look at it. Be sure that you're going to download your favorite one. Technically, I don't mind if you're using a different IDE. We don't have to be all using the same one, but it's up there. You can use it, and I have explain how we're going to do those kind of things. So that's for that one. And what else do we need to talk about? I put the tentative schedule over here. I'm still working on a little bit of it, so that's going to be available. The key point is we have a check-in assignment. You need to do that one by Wednesday night, otherwise you will be dropped from the class. That is the first requirement. So if you go to the modules, the checking assignment is right there. So we need to get that done as soon as possible. Of course, you're going to do some reading before you do that. So that's the general I want to talk about in the specific course. Again, you have a question, you can post it in the discussion area. I have created a DQ for the questions, so you can put your questions over here. Generally, if you have a question, somebody else might have the exact same question, and we can discuss over here. You can post your question, and when you go back here, and I strongly recommend, go there as often as you can. So as soon as you log in, go in there. If you see a question that you have an answer for it, go ahead and respond to it. The best way to learn in an online environment is the discussion. So you discuss, you go back and forth, you don't disagree, that's okay. You know, it's nothing personal. You don't disagree with somebody. I post something, you don't like it, you don't disagree, let's talk about it. And that's the best way to learn. So post your questions in here. Of course, you shouldn't be posting your private questions over here. You should send me an email through Canvas. I do have office hours that you can make an appointment with me through Conference Zoom. So you can go in there and make an appointment with me. You can also go to Conference Zoom to know where the link is for our first meeting or every meeting that we have. So please take a look at that one and let me know if you have any questions.